Alrighty guys, so we're out here on the kayak today. We're gonna be fishing for anything, honestly. We got, behind us here, I can get this out. We got a wacky rigged, and then we have a worm rod also. We're gonna be trying for anything that bites. So I'm just gonna go around the lake. Hopefully maybe we can get some big bluegill to eat, but yeah, let's try and catch some fish. Alright, so I think what we're going to start out with is this wacky here. Got a little bit of yellow on the tip of it, and then it's just basically green pumpkin colored, so yeah, let's go around the edge of the lake and try and catch some big old bass. I've had a couple bites with that fake worm, but now we're gonna put on a live worm here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna search, because in the daytime when it's really hot like this, the big giant bluegills are up next to the docks here, or pontoons here, so we're gonna try and catch some big bluegills to eat. Got him. Big bluegill. Oh my word, that's a big one. That's a big red ear. Finally caught a big red ear, guys. I've been trying to catch this thing this whole time. But that's not even close. There's an 11-inch pluser in there, I guarantee. Way bigger than this is in there. That's pretty decent. Alright guys, so we caught a few big bluegills here. Big red ears to eat here. Here's one of the bigger ones. As you can see, pretty big. And then we got a few small bluegill in here to use as bait tonight for bowfin. And then we got this other big red ear, about the same size. So those are good to eat. I'm gonna try to catch some crappie tonight, maybe, to eat also. So I'm gonna start heading back and get some bowfin lines out. There's a fish. Oh my word. That's gonna be perfect for bowfin at least. Guys, right here. That is perfect chop off its head about like right here. Perfect for bowfin. So put him in the bucket back here. There we go. That thing's tiny. Oh, we do got something. What do we got here? Oh dang, he swallowed it. Dang it. Didn't even know I had something on. Oh, he did swallow it. Maybe not. Thought he did. Just release this one back. There we go. That's perfect. That's perfect. And it swallowed it. So no matter what, we're keeping. Pull the hook out of it, kind of. That's what I do. I don't feel like wasting my hook for a little fish like this. Guys, there's a decent bass actually right here. Let's try and catch it. The bluegills don't eat it. Oh, bass got it. Oh my guys. The bass wanted the bluegill. Are you kidding me? What the world? That bass tried to insanely inhale that thing. Oh, another bass tried to eat it. Or no, that's just a giant bluegill. Oh my gosh, guys, that is a giant bluegill. Jeez, that's a huge bluegill. Come on, it's a red ear too. Eating size, eating size. Why? Dude. He ate it too. Oh, the bass is looking at it. That's a decent bass. 14-inch fish. Oh, he's chasing it, he's chasing it. He's chasing my worm. He's gonna eat it. Oh, he's gonna eat it, guys. He's gonna eat it. Nice bass is gonna eat it. If a bluegill doesn't take it, he's gonna eat it. He's got it. Oh, you missed it. No way. No way you just missed that, dude. There, he ate it. He's got it. Got him. Nice bass. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, guys. That's a nice bass right there. Oh, my gosh. Get in here. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. Then we missed that giant bluegill. Darn it. It's a nice largie. I don't know if you've really seen that, but man, that thing was attacking. So like a bluegill you seen I hooked, this thing popped out of nowhere, and I mean he inhaled that thing. But alright, something's on, I believe. There's something on my big rod up here that I let sit out here all day. Unless it's just like tight. It's definitely tight. It could either be a giant turtle or a snakehead. Oh yeah, there's a fish on there. It's still, it's not really jerking around, so it's probably just a, yeah. Turtle, please say it's not a turtle. It's on my big rod too. Oh my word. Okay, we're gonna get it. We're gonna snag it in the kayak. It's on the dock here. Wonder what it's gonna be, that's the question. Oh gosh. Oh, I think it's a turtle. Bubbles. So many bubbles. Alright, here we go. We're gonna set it. We got it. Yep, it's a turtle. Darn it. Big turtle though. Oh yeah. Big soft shell, dude. Get this situated here a little bit for y'all. You probably want to see this. Dang, you can't even see my rod tip bending. And it's a big soft shell turtle. Oh, he's not humongous, but he's decent. What the heck just happened? Did he go into the weeds or something? Got him. There he is. Absolute unit. All right, guys, let's get him off here. Right in the leg, I snagged him. Sorry, buddy. Sorry about that. We'll get that right off of there. Man, they have some claws. Right here's where I got him. Hook came right off of him though. Oh yeah, here he is. That's a nice little turtle. We're gonna put him back here. Guys, he's perfectly fine. He wasn't actually hooked that bad, it just looked like it.